We are the crazy crafters of CRAFTISTIC CRAZE. Welcome to our channel. Today let's make hair clips for our baby girls. Before you watch the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on our future videos. Let's get started. Things you'll need are a glue gun, ruler, a few hair clips, marking pens, scissors, foam sheets of any color and an A4 paper. Take the A4 paper and double fold it. Now mark points as 1.5, 2 and 2.5 inches. Draw straight lines and cut them out. Now take each strip and double the measurement and cut off from the open side. If you take 1.5 inches strip, lengthwise measure 3 inches and cut off from the open side. Then take the 2 inches strip, measure 4 inches and cut it off. Do the same with the last strip and measure 5 inches and cut it off. Once they are all cut off, take the first strip that's 1.5 inches and open it. Now bring the edges to the middle and fold it. And double fold it again. Next, draw a curved line. Make sure the edges are joined and cut it off. Do the same with the strip that measures 2 inches as well. Then take the third strip. Here the folding is different. We just have to fold it upwards and then sideways. Here we have to draw a shape that's similar to a fishtail and cut it off. Take any two different colored foam sheets and keep the sketches on the foam sheet and cut the first two similar shaped strips on one color and the fishtail shape on the other color. Okay, so that's done. Now it's time to assemble them. Fold the edges of each strip to make a bow and glue them. Next, layer them one on top of the other and glue them as well. You can wrap a strip of foam in the center. It's optional. Finally, you can stick the hair clip onto the bow. Ta-da! Our foam hair clip is ready. You can be creative and bring all your little girls' imaginations to life by creating different types of bows. Here are a few more clips that we made. Which one did you like the most? Comment on the comment section below. And if you liked my video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified on our next video. Until then, see you next time.